stories of the one for the shop. Baba said man will do the foolish one, and every will put the simple-minded to bed. I have seen the foolish one taking root, but suddenly he barely lets his cause. His thoughts are far from safety, and they are crushed at the city gates with no one to save them. The hungry ones eat what is harvest, taking it even from among the tongue, and their pollution are elsewhere. Perhaps things do not sprout from the stars, and trouble does not spring from the ground. For man is born for trouble as surely as back side upward. But I will appeal to God, and to God I will submit my case to the one doing great and unsearchable things, wonderful things without number. He gives rain to the earth and sends water upon the field. He raises up the begotten, he raises the lonely up high, and he raises up the begotten one to salvation. He frustrates the schemes of the crafty, so that the work of their hands does not succeed. He catches the wise in their own cunning, so that the plans of the sheep are thwarted. They live in darkness during the day, and they move about at midday as if it were night. He says from the sword of their mouth, saving the poor from the hand of the strong, so that there is hope for the lonely. But the month of unrighteousness is short. Look, happy is the man whom God will. So do not reject the visiting of the Almighty for his cross's sake, but bind us the rule. He breaks apart, but heals with his own hand. He will save you from 6 calamities. Even the 7 will not harm you. During famine, he will redeem you from death, and from the power of the subduing war. You will be protected from the lash of the storm, and you will not fear devastation when it comes. You will laugh at destruction and hunger, and you will not fear the wild beasts of the earth. You will not harm you, and the wild beasts of the field will be at peace with you. You will know that your test is secure, and nothing will be missing when you spend your pasture. You will enjoy many children, and your descendants will be as plentiful as the vegetation of the earth. You will still be strong when you go to the grave, like sheaves of grain gathered in their season. Look, you have been resuscitated this, and it is so. Listen and accept it.